Hey guys, the birds are enjoying spring. This is a sunset video with the birds. Sun is set. They're so relaxed. It's a beautiful day. It's officially spring. Spring up here in northern Canada. Let's go inside and see them. Hello, Peach. Peach is nice and mellow. There's Maple. It's starting to get dark. The sun sets up here right now about 12 minutes past 7. So it's after that right now. They've been out all day. They've been enjoying it. Nice weather. And they'll be coming in pretty soon. Even though it's a nice evening, they're still used to coming in. They like to come in. Then they get a bedtime snack and they just hang out. That's Maple. Hello, Maple. Hello. It's starting to get dark. There's Cherry back there. There's Cherry. That's Pie. That's Spice over there. And there's Peach. Look, he wants to go back in, I think. He's ready to go in. Yeah, Peach. You had a nice time out here, Peach? Yeah. Peach. One of these times there'll be no snow in here. And we're all ready for the snow to go. We've had enough of it. It was a long, cold winter. It snowed constantly, and it was between -25 and -40 for 4 months. There was a couple of days here and there where it broke to a little better than that, but it's been very cold. We managed to take the birds out now and then. You get a nice winter day when it was only maybe -6, -8 Celsius. They'd be outside. But they wouldn't be out all day. We take them out for a couple hours here. Right, Peach? Starting to get dark, right, Peach? Yeah. Little Peach. She looks pretty dark. Yeah. Peach. Yeah, spring with the birds. Spring sunset. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you're new here.